In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid copyright violations on eBay. If you're just getting started on eBay, you might be excited to list items and start selling. However, navigating the waters of copyright laws is crucial to ensure your listings remain compliant and you're not at risk of penalties. Understanding these rules can help you maintain a positive seller standing and avoid any unnecessary legal issues. First and foremost, you should avoid using copyrighted images or text in your listings. Many sellers might not realize, but using images or descriptions directly from the manufacturer or other websites can lead to potential copyright claims. Instead, take the time to create your own images and write unique product descriptions. Doing this not only keeps you on the right side of the law, but also makes your listings genuine and personalized, which can help in attracting buyers. Buyers appreciate accurate and honest representations of what they are purchasing, so authentic pictures go a long way in building trust. Speaking of images, always use original product photos. This is a great practice not just for compliance, but for better showcasing the actual condition and appearance of your items. Taking clear, high-quality images ensures your potential buyers see exactly what they're getting. If you're selling new items, you might be tempted to use the stock photos provided by manufacturers. However, it's always safer to snap your own pictures. Consider using natural lighting and a clean, neutral background to make your product stand out without unnecessary distractions. Another critical point is to avoid counterfeit goods. Counterfeit items are imitations of original goods, often replicating trademarks without permission. Not only is selling counterfeit goods illegal, but it's also a significant violation of eBay's policies, which can result in the suspension of your seller account. Make sure your sources are reputable and your products are genuine. This will protect your business in the long run and ensure you're offering quality to your customers. Finally, always follow eBay's copyright rules. eBay has detailed guidelines and educational material available to help you understand copyright and intellectual property rights. Keeping up with these rules and any updates to them is a smart practice. You can access resources on eBay's site or contact their customer support if you have specific questions regarding your listings. Staying informed and compliant not only safeguards your eBay business, but also fosters buyer confidence. By implementing these practices, you'll be well on your way to creating a transparent and trustworthy eBay store. Remember, compliance is key to longevity in the world of online sales. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy selling!